Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to add mobile phone icon in MS Word. This is very simple and very easy. Let's get started. First you need to click on the insert on the upper menu bar and then click on the icons and make sure your laptop is must be connected with the internet, and after that you will see that there are multiple tabs over here, and from here you need to click on the communication tab, and here you will see that there is a mobile phone icon. You just need to click on that and click on insert, and here you can see that the mobile phone icon is inserted. And if you want to move from to any page, it is not moving. You need to click on this layout option and click on this square option, and after that you can move anywhere on the page. Moreover, when you click on the icon, you will see that there is a graphic format. So it's up to you which graphic style you prefer. You can also make it big, or you can also reduce. So in this way you can easily insert mobile phone icon in MS Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.